Are you trying to learn English but feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel, going nowhere fast? You study for hours, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. Trust me, I've seen it countless times. The problem isn't you. It's your method. Many popular ways of learning English are just a waste of time. Today, I'm going to share 6 powerful strategies that will actually transform you into a confident English speaker. Let's stop wasting time and start learning effectively. First, you need to put the blinkers on. Just like a racehorse, you need to be laser-focused. Distractions are everywhere, and they are the biggest enemies of progress. I often hear people say, "I don't have time to study." Let's rephrase that. Instead of saying, "I don't have time," say, "It's not a priority for me right now." See how that changes things? It's about making a conscious choice. If you truly want to learn English, you have to make it a priority. Turn off your phone notifications, find a quiet space, and dedicate specific time slots to your studies. This focused effort, even if it's just for 30 minutes a day, is far more effective than hours of distracted learning. Second, remember that learning English is a marathon, not a sprint. You won't become fluent overnight, and that's okay. It takes roughly 200 hours of guided learning to move up just one level. That sounds like a lot, right? So, how do you stay persistent without burning out? The secret is to make it fun. If you hate grammar drills, don't force yourself to do them for hours. Find things you genuinely enjoy. Are you a movie buff? Watch films in English. Do you love music? Learn the lyrics to your favorite English songs. When you enjoy the process, you're more likely to stick with it for the long haul. Persistence comes from pleasure, not pain. Next up, you have to find your mojo, your motivation. Motivation is the fuel that will keep your English learning engine running. But "I want to be fluent" is not a good goal. It's too vague. You need specific, measurable, and realistic goals. For example, a great goal would be, in 6 months, I want to be able to have a 10-minute conversation about my hobbies and my job. That's something you can track. And don't forget your why. Why did you start learning English in the first place? Was it for a dream job, to study abroad, or to connect with people from different cultures? Write it down and put it somewhere you can see it every day. This will be your anchor when you feel like giving up. And hey, connecting with other learners or joining a class can provide a fantastic support system. Oh, and don't forget to reward yourself when you hit a milestone. So you have this big, exciting goal. Now what? You need to break it down into small steps. A huge goal can feel overwhelming, like trying to climb Mount Everest in one leap. It's impossible. But if you focus on just the next small step, it becomes manageable. Your big goal is to have that 10-minute conversation. Your small step for today could be learning 5 new vocabulary words related to your job. Tomorrow it could be practicing those words in sentences. These small, consistent actions add up over time and create massive progress without the stress. Focus on winning the day, every day, and before you know it, you'll have reached the summit. Now for a crucial one: practice, practice, practice. I see so many learners fall into the trap of passive study. They spend all their time reading books, memorizing grammar rules, and watching videos, but they barely ever speak or write. That's like reading a book about swimming and expecting to be Michael Phelps. It just doesn't work. You have to get in the water. Active practice is non-negotiable. For every hour you spend studying, you should spend an hour actively using the language. Talk to yourself, find a language partner online, or write a short journal entry every day. This is what moves the knowledge from your head to your mouth, turning you from a passive learner into an active, confident speaker. And finally, my bonus tip: review. Your brain is designed to forget things it doesn't think are important. You can forget up to 70% of what you learn within a day if you don't review it. Crazy, right? So, make reviewing a part of your routine. After a study session, take 5 minutes to look over your notes. Then, review them again a day later and again a week later. A great way to recycle new language is to immerse yourself in the topic. If you just learned vocabulary about cooking, watch a cooking show in English or read a recipe. This reinforces what you've learned in a natural and engaging way, making it stick in your long-term memory. So there you have it, 6 strategies to stop wasting your time and start speaking English with confidence. Put the blinkers on, be persistent, find your motivation, take small steps, practice a lot, and don't forget to review. It's a journey, but with the right map, you'll get there. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Clear Voice English for more tips to help you on your English learning journey. See you in the next one.